guys, I'm Mubashir. Welcome to our channel. I'm so bored today. Nothing to do. It's so hot outside. Come on, I have an idea. Let's play. I have a box. Hey, Mubashir, why are you messing around? I can teach you how to make squares. Come, let's start making squares before Mubashir gets here. Come, let's make squares before Mubashir returns. Okay, but you must make a helicopter. Okay, I accept your challenge. Let's see how you do it. Helicopter? Please comment in the comment box. Let me tell you some features. These are the skis and these are the rotors. Look, they spin. Mubashir, see, I have. Wow! How did you manage to build it? It is so complicated and so difficult. Can I have it for playing? Please, pretty please. I love to give you something in return, okay? Okay. I'll give you the helicopter, but you have to give me something in return. Take this! Enjoy! Oh no!